Welcome to Convolution Corporate Connect. So today we are going to learn about the introduction to Python. So the basic things that we are going to do in today's lesson is printing, commenting, debugging, string manipulation and variables. So the system requirements that are required are installation of Python from the official website, that is python.org, and then for IDE connection we can use PyCharm, which looks like this. Then coming to the introduction, what is Python? It is a high level language which is very similar to the human language and a little far from the computer language, which makes it easier to read and write. Then the next point is Python is used by programmers for a huge variety of tasks. It has a huge community of programmers and there are many resources that are available and can be used, like from automating simple tasks to building complex software. Python's versatility is unmatched. It is also used for building websites like Instagram, Spotify, and analyzing data for research purposes. And it is widely used in the field of data science as well. So, next, coming to business insights and game creations. So, it is a simple language but used for complex tasks. So then we will learn about commenting a line in Python. So we can use this hash symbol for a single line commenting. And next, moving forward to the data types. It is numbers, either integers or floats, then strings for text formats, and booleans, that is true or false data. Then moving forward, like if there are if we want to assignment operator is used, like name is equal to Alice, age is equal to 20. So this 20 value is assigned to age and Alice, this string is assigned to name. So like this assignment operator can be used. Now writing our first Python program is like printing hello world. So we either use this print command like hello world. So this is after running the code. And then coming forward to addition using assignment operator, like we assign a equals to 1, b equals to 2, and c equals to 4, and then we again use the print function with a plus b plus c, and we'll get a 7 as the result. Then coming to string manipulation, like firstly, string manipulation contains concatenation and the measuring the length of the string, such kind of things. So in concatenation, we will use string 1 and string 2, where in string 1 will store hello and in string 2 will store world. So in the result, we'll do string 1 plus open symbol plus string 2. In this is used to separate the two strings. So when we print the result, we will get this one. This space is because of this operator that we are using. And for then string length, using the length function, we will store this Python in string. Then we will use length as the data is equal to len, then this string. So this data is actually here and we are using len function, which actually calculates the indexes of this string. So we after we do print length, we will get the indexes, that is 6. Thank you.